Good afternoon, students, and welcome to today's session about the business analytics, in which we will see about the lecture number 35, that is visual data recovery. So, it is the recent trend in business analytics. Earlier, we have seen about the data storylism and the data journalism. That is the most important topic which is asked in G2 exam. After that, we have seen about the we have seen now we will see about the visual data recovery. So data recovery is most important in nowadays for the visualization of data. So when we use the recovery, there are disasters happen in the business analytics projects. So we have to recover that data from that. That is called visual data recovery. So this is about today's lecture, that is outline. Visual data recovery, data visualization impact. What are the visualization impacts? Benefits of data visualization. Data visualization crucial for big data. How data visualization play important role in big data. Data visualization with virtuality, virtual reality. So there are two types of reality: augmented reality and virtual reality. Virtual reality where means we are when we are going in jungle, then it comes into virtual reality, that is 3D like image. So data visual, how data visualization play important role in virtual reality. Three big changes in data visualization. What are the three big changes that can happen in data visualization for the future? So visual data recovery, the potential loss of critical data means there will be loss in the data, and that would be the application drivers, companies to develop the business community, and we will recover data from that, and the disaster recovery solutions. So we will create different types of recovery solutions for the disasters happen in the business continuity, that is called visual data recovery. Innovations in large storage, innovations which will occur in storage, data management systems, replications means repeated type of data is created, and the opportunities, what type of opportunities we can create in the companies, how we can use that recovery in the data recovery system toward the IT resilience. IT resilience occurs when the response to the disaster, or when disaster happen, or the disruption happens in the data, then IT companies come into the picture and impact. What are the impacts of the users and the customers? Data visualizations help data to be understand visually. So data visualization where data we can visualize in one dimension, two dimension, or three dimension visually, which play important role in the interaction with the patterns, correlations, graphs, and so on. Now we'll see what are the impacts of data visualization. So first impact is display of critical data. So critical data means data which is important for us, that should be displayed in visual form. That should be visual form in interactive form, means it will create visualizations like in one dimension graph, 2D, 3D, or histogram, pie charts. That so data should be important to create visualization. Second, can display trends. So we can create visualizations using displaying trends. We can create different types of trends for the data over the period of time. So once period will be change of the time, then we can display that trends according to that data. The can grasp large chunks of complex data. So there is a comparison where we combine the large data will be combined, and the complex data is used with an easy visual form. We can create easy visual form for that data. So this is the third impact of data visualization. Prevent chances of errors in decision making. So once we will create data visualization properly, then we will prevent errors, we will remove errors for the decision making. So data visualization also play important role in decision making. Helps in identifying key features. So it also helps in identify what are the key features and how it impact the business results, how it will impact the business results in the future. So these are the impacts of data visualization. Helps in developing the forecast. So data visualization also helps in develop what forecast system like weather forecasting system or stock market prediction, where we will take the future steps, what are the future for that to be taken. So we will take the past data, and then we will visualize that data using the forecasting techniques and also different visualization techniques. So these are the impacts of data visualization. Now we will see what are the benefits of data visualization. First is data visualization can cut short business meetings. So in data visualization, different short meetings, business meetings will be cut by the 24% of reports. There are 24% reports which are saying in American Management Association statistics, where data visualization has cut the 24% meetings. A report by Tabulo. So Tabulo is a one type of software public where we can create data visualization graphs and that manage using the tool for visual data recovery. So it is a tool which will be used for the beneficial for data visual recovery. We can create data recovery by visually and find the correct required data. We can find it what type of data is there, where is 48% more than other data. 40% other data will help from the IT staff. It will taken for the IT staff or other BA personals. The advanced analytics, business advanced analytics will help the capability of data visualization tool. So it will create it will take the different data visualization tools which will master 5 times easier in decision making, which helps in decision making 5 times and process than that from the competitors. So we can process after the competitors for the data visualization. Now we will see data visualization crucial for big data. How data visualization play important role in big data. Big data means it is a collection of huge amount of data. Multiple sources are combined in a single source. Large data set is taken, that is called big data. Data visualization affects the approach of analytics who work with the data. So data visualization is one type of effects which approach analysis, how it is working with that data. Getting more insight and being able to respond to issues. We can take different types of issues and we can quickly remove that issues using various advantages of data visualizations. Data visualization in the form of infograph. So data visualization is a collection of in the form of infograph. It is a collection of information graphs like histograms, pie chart, line chart, bar chart, or in different graphs form. It can use other visualization tools which is used for the businesses to run smoothly. So we can check different types of tools for business purposes and also speed up the analysis processes. So we can speed up the analysis process by using different visualization tools in data visualization for big data. First is how big data visualization play in future for the big data. First is data on demand. There are 28 zettabyte. So nowadays there is data in the form of petabyte. Now latest in future zettabyte will be used, where 28 zettabyte is trillion of gigabytes. So it is trillion of gigabytes of data is used, that is created every year. That much data is created, that is the huge amount of data, that is called big data. The devices that are interconnected with these multiple streams. So different devices will be interconnected for the streams of data, for streaming of data, which is undoubtedly improves the efficiency. It will improve the efficiency as well as accuracy of that data. So this is about the first on data on demand. Second is data storing into database. What type of data will be stored in the database with the clear purpose? What are its purposes? The large chunks of data. There is a large amount of data collected entirely. It will be collected in the form of entirely and which will store in the database. These data charts, we will create different types of data charts. Animations, different types of animations will be created using the relevant data. We will take relevant data or the information that is utilized. Missing data or inconsistent data will be removed and data charts or animations will be created by storing the data from this database. Now next topic is about the data visualization with virtual reality. How data visualization play important role in VR, that is virtual reality. Augmented reality or the virtual reality technologies are successfully and efficient. So in data visualization is very important for augmented reality or the virtual reality, where it plays important role and it is efficiently work with virtual reality. An example of virtual reality, enhancing the future of data visualization. It will enhance what is the future of data visualization. That project night at the museum. There is a project in the museum that will be enhanced using the virtual reality. It is the 3D 3D based mobile friendly observation. It is one type 3D based mobile application where reality is used in the museum, and it showcases the different type of space and so on. This is the example of virtual reality, where how data visualization play important role. When it comes to the virtual reality and augmented reality, the technology is called virtualytics. So when we combine virtual reality and augmented reality, that combination is called virtualytics. And when immense analytics is provided, means enhanced analytics will be done for the visual control of viewers to explore the data set. We can explore different types of data set. Artificial intelligence support the smart mapping. It will support the smart mapping. How it will use in the multi-dimensional data analysis. How we can do multi-dimensional data analysis using the virtual reality. Virtualytics provides a 3D collaboration. It uses the 3D collaboration environment where it uses the linked data set. It will link the different type of data sets and pattern recognition. So pattern recognition also play important role in data visualization with virtual reality. That is the use to retrieve various multi-dimensional relationships. So we can retrieve different types of multi-dimensional relationships in the virtual reality in data visualization. Scatter plots. So scatter plot is one type of data visualization diagram which is used in virtual reality, and it helps in combining different matrices. We can combine different type of matrices like efficiency, accuracy together to form a single matrix, and in the single and which shown in the simple graph. So it is easily understand by the users as well as the customers. Now next topic about what are the three big changes in data visualization. First is distributive tools. What are the distribution tools are there? How we can use in data visualization, distribution in data analytics and visualization. Next is applications in many industry vertical. Different types of applications in industries. There are different types of industries but applications where it is using data visualization in, that is the second change in data visualization. That is like marketing. In marketing analytics, we can use data visualization. In HR, that is human resources, product analysis, analytics, manufacturing companies, healthcare, education, finance, IT and so on. So these are the different areas where data visualization technique play important role. Last is about the cross politicians of different people to join the field of data science. So this is the cross politician. This is the cross platform where different people can join in the field of data science. Data science is a part of data analytics where data visualization play important role, and it plays important role in different sectors like in astronomy, arts, science and so on. So this is about today's lecture. Thank you student. Stay tuned for further lecture series. In next lecture we will see about the embedded and collaborative intelligence. That is the last topic of unit 6.